In this video, I'll show you how to upload a video to Google Drive in just a few easy steps. First, open the Google Apps Launcher. That's the grid icon in the top right corner and select Drive. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, click the New button in the top left corner and choose File Upload. Now, browse your computer, find the video you want to upload, and double-click it. Your upload will start right away. You can track the progress in the bottom right corner of your screen. When the upload is complete, your video will appear at the top of My Drive. From there, you can move it into a folder to keep things organized. There's also a quicker way. Simply drag and drop your video file directly from your computer into Google Drive. You'll see a short message confirming that your file is being uploaded. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a video to Google Drive. Fast, simple, and convenient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and effective tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.